Good morning, y'all. How are you? I hope you're good. I hope you're well. Let's see. I hope you had a chance to check your grades on the open book quiz for the IDEM, AODEM, etc. And I have not yet checked the Quizquays and the Eaches and all that, so I'll be doing that sometime tonight or tomorrow, I guess. It's getting a little bit late now. Already a little bit behind. Okay, well, look, I'd like you to open up. Right now, I need you to open up to your workbooks, page 64 and on to 65. You can pause the video if you need to. This is a very short exercise. I'd ask you to write it out or type it out, and I've given you new instructions on where to post submissions or homework submissions or classwork submissions, whatever, where to post those things. And I made like a Google Drive folder for each class, and under each of those folders is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So tomorrow is, well, today is I'm making this Monday night, but today is Tuesday for you, all right? So when you're done with typing this out or writing this out and taking a very clear picture of it, I'd like you to upload it to that folder and put it in Tuesday's folder, okay? And I'd like you to also make sure you name it correctly, your last name, and then just, the date. Like, I think it's like, tomorrow, for example, we could say Muggerini April 28. And then you pop it into that Tuesday folder. And it just makes it a lot easier for me to correct instead of having to chase down stuff in my inbox. So I'm trying to just come up with ways to be efficient about this stuff, okay? So anyway, exercise 4, I'm going to switch over now to something else here. Exercise 4 sort of looks like this. As I said, there's 7 questions. And if you look in the margins on page 64 at the bottom and on page 65 at the top, you're going to see different things. You're going to see facere, facit, and faciunt on the bottom of 64. We know that facere means to make or to do. And then if you look at the margin on top of 65, you're going to see fieri, fit, and fiunt. Now, fieri is kind of like the passive form of facere. Fieri is called it's an irregular verb. It's a semi-deponent verb. But fieri, if you look at the ending on fieri, the infinitive, it clearly looks like it's got to be some kind of a deponent thing. And then you see fit and fiunt, and those look like regular verb forms. But bottom line is this. Go back to 64. Facere means to make. Facit means he or she makes. Faciunt means they make. All of this should be perfectly clear by now. Fieri on 65 means to be made or to happen or to become. In this context of this exercise, I think to be made is the way to think about it. Fit means it is made, he is made, she is made. And fiunt means they are made or they become, they happen. So if I can just look at number 1 here, like what's the right fill in the blank for number 1? Vocalis we know is a vowel. Vocalis per se syllabam blank potest. So a vowel in itself per se is able to make or to be made a syllable. Syllabam here, accusative, right? So I think you would agree that the right one here will be a vowel in itself is able to make a syllable. So I'm thinking that that is the correct answer for the first one. Now you only have 6 more there, but I'm going to ask you to figure out how to do those yourselves. And again, this will be graded for accuracy, okay? So please, if there are questions, ask before submitting. And I wish you a very good night. This should take you all of 10 minutes. That's it. Adios.